So you're speaking something about JNU. क्या कह रही थी आप?
The students who are supposed to be real students should behave like students. If you keep on doing agitation, you are misfit for the country and you are misfit for your own family and for your own self. If you have contributed something to this nation, to this country, to this place, then you have the right to speak. But you have not contributed anything, you bloody have no nonsense. No right to speak anything. You are here to study. Make use of the atmosphere in the area. But don't talk on this nonsense over here that I will break the country into pieces and pieces. Bloody hell, your parents have given this land to you that you have got no right to speak all this nonsense also. And you have got no right to stay. Go to the country. If you don't like this country, get lost.
No, क्यों? But they are studying. उन्होंने PhD करी है, सब कर रहे हैं, वो पढ़ रहे हैं.
What is their contribution to the country? Go to other countries. Even if they are students, they are contributing something over there. They are earning for their own self. You are already staying over there at such a minimum cost over there. If they increase the amount over there, they start making a hangama as if it is a dharamshala for them.
Yeah, but education should be available to poor people also. It should be subsidized.
They are not poor people. They are posing as poor people over there. They have got all the means. Over there, people are there with 50 years of age also. They think this is a ashram for them, nothing else. They have got to pay the minimum over there and then they make the hangama.
Yeah, but education सस्ती होनी चाहिए.
सस्ती होनी चाहिए. It should be सस्ती for everybody. Why then other people have to pay such a lot of money? They all work and then they study over there. In all the countries they work for their own education. No parents supports them. For their higher education, they have to work simultaneously and study also over there. And here, the parents are there so protective. ये मेरा बेटा है, ये भी लड़की है, ये भी पढ़ाई करेगी.
Freedom of speech is a necessity in every civilized society. Don't you feel so?
But there should be some decency also. You can't keep on abusing the own country which is feeding you. If you don't like the country, if you don't like anything over there, why are you eating over here? Eating also and grumbling also and criticizing also and talking bloody nonsense.
Only if the students point out, only then the country will improve. So what's wrong?
They are students. They don't realize what is their contribution to the country. They don't realize what they should be doing over there, sitting and eating away over there and making hangamas and agitating over there. I think this is bloody nonsense over there. Either their background is bad. Their background is cheaper and they have got no sense at all. They think they can make the best use of the opportunity that they have just to become a leader in the country. And those who support them, they are all the bloody fools also.
Yeah, but being a leader of the country is not a bad thing to think of.
What leader of the country? Such people should be shot dead.
What do you say, sir? Should education not be cheap? I mean, सस्ती पढ़ाई.
Say, oh, the economy is going down. Economy will definitely go down when you are not contributing anything to the country and you say economy is going down.
और गरीब का बच्चा कैसे पढ़ेगा?
अरे गरीब का बच्चे को they are provided with all the facilities. It's not that they don't want to go because they think this is easy money. Easy education, free fund में खाना मिल रहा है आपको वहाँ पे with the minimum. The minute they raise the amount of money over there, they will do an agitation. अरे हम तो भूखे मर गए. Then go leave the campus over there. Leave the campus because तुम भूखे मर रहे हो ना. सड़क पे भीख मांगो फिर.
पर JNU एक अच्छा रिसर्च का इंस्टीट्यूशन इसीलिए
बना था. इन्होंने आज के स्टूडेंट्स लोगों ने उसको बिगाड़ दिया है. They have spoiled the image of it also. They should shut down this JNU.
पर इतना रिसर्च रुक जाएगा देश का अभी तो कुछ तो.
Doesn't matter. What are they contributing? They're not contributing except adding to the nuisance in the country. That's all.
Thank you.